Hey there, creative minds! Welcome back to Mr. Grow, your go-to destination for all things tech and creative tools. Today, we have something incredibly exciting for all video editing enthusiasts. We're diving into the fabulous world of KineMaster Premium Apk, specifically the latest version v7.5.17.3415 So, grab your popcorn, sit back, and let's unravel the features of this powerful video editing tool. Imagine a world where video editing is seamless, ad-free, and loaded with premium features without denting your wallet. That's precisely what KineMaster Premium Apk delivers. Let's break down the incredible mod info that comes with this version. First off, the Premium Unlocked feature is a game changer. You get full access to all of KineMaster's premium tools, fonts, and transition effects. This means your creative capacity is now limitless, allowing you to bring your dynamic visions to life without restrictions. Next, who doesn't find ads disruptive? With this version, all ads are completely removed, allowing for an uninterrupted editing experience. That's not all, even the banners that typically clutter the interface are removed, giving you a clean and focused workspace. The HD export-enabled feature is something video editors will cherish. It ensures that your content is exported in the highest quality possible, providing crisp and clear videos that stand out professionally. Have you ever been frustrated by unexpected bugs or crashes just as you were about to finalize your project? KineMaster has got that covered, with all bugs and crashes fixed in this version, ensuring a smooth and steady editing process. Now let's talk about something that everyone loves: speed. The app's mod size has been compressed for easier and faster download, without compromising on quality or features. Large apps often take up excessive space, but with KineMaster, you don't have to worry about your device lagging due to storage issues. For those who love shopping for effects and tools, the Premium Store is unlocked and ready for you to explore. Imagine having a treasure trove of resources at your fingertips to enhance your videos. In this version, all debug information has been removed, optimizing the performance speed significantly. Plus, it's designed to support all devices, ensuring no one is left behind, regardless of the device specs. Now, if you find yourself loving all these features, remember to hit the like button, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and fellow creators. Your support means the world to us, and it allows us to continue providing you with valuable content. If you have any thoughts or questions about KineMaster Premium Apk, drop them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you and get a conversation going. Thanks for tuning in to Mr. Grow. Until next time, keep creating, keep exploring, and most importantly, stay inspired. See you in the next video.